Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Rogers apartment building. Now this building is going to be a residential building. It's located on Waterloo Avenue, which is off Waterloo Road. However, this building is 20 floors. So it doesn't really matter where in Jamaica you are. You're probably going, where in Kingston you are, you're probably going to see it because it's 20 floors. This is going to be the tallest building in Jamaica by the end of this year. Now, what you're looking at is between 14 and 15 floors completed, or the height of the building has reached between 14 and 15 floors. So they have a few more floors to put on to reach 20 floors. And it's going to be luxury apartment luxury apartment units. It's going to be 129 units, and they are going to sell from 250,000 US to 1.5 million US. Now, a subscriber had commented that nowhere in Jamaica would sell for 1.5 million US. But there are a few places in Jamaica where the townhouses or apartments go for that kind of money. And just to put it in perspective, you're looking at about 230 million Jamaican dollars. The 1.5 million is probably the penthouse, which is going to be at the top. And believe it or not, Jamaica is going through a construction boom. This building, the Rogers, is going to have 129 units. You have other buildings that are going up, like the Cambridge, which is 2 towers. That's 170 units. You have the Via at the Braemar, which is a 10-story building. I think it's 99 units. You have the Nitrums of Waterloo just up the road, 66 units. So people are buying them. They wouldn't be building all of these apartments if people weren't buying them. And even beside this building, you have 3 other high-rise buildings. Mark you, they're not as tall as 20 floors, but you have 20 South, which is 10 floors. You have Parkhurst 1, which is I think 8 floors, and then you have Genesis 28, which is I think 8 floors also. They don't go past 10 floors. So this one is definitely the tallest building on the block for sure. And this building won't be the tallest building in Jamaica for very long, because the Ascent, which is going to be 27 floors, has started construction. It just started this month or last month, so it has a few months to go before it passes 20 floors, but that one will be 27 floors. So as of today, the Jamaica Pegasus is the tallest building in Jamaica at 17 floors. The second tallest is the Scotia Centre in downtown Kingston. The third tallest is, hang on, let me just find that list. Okay, we'll get to the list in a little bit. But okay, the tallest building in Jamaica as of today is the Pegasus at 17 floors, and that building is 200 feet. The second tallest building is the Scotia Bank Centre in downtown Kingston. The Pegasus is in New Kingston. The third tallest building is the Moon Palace, and that's Tower 2. It used to be the Sunset Jamaica Grand, and before that it's a hotel in Ocho. It was Jamaica Grand. The fourth tallest building in Jamaica is the Wyndham Hotel, However, that building is being renovated and it's going to reopen. We don't know what name it's going to be reopened as, but it's also in New Kingston and it's located at 77 Knutsford. And the 5th tallest building in Jamaica is the Bank of Jamaica building in downtown Kingston. So those are the 5 tallest buildings in Jamaica as of today. However, that list will change quite a lot over the next few months, because the Ascent is being built and that's 27 floors. The building we're looking at now, the Rogers, is under construction and that's going to be 20 floors. You have a 28-story building that's going to be built in Montego Bay. They haven't started yet. And you have a 20-story building that's going up on West Kings House Road. That one hasn't started yet. And beside the Wyndham at 77 Knutsford, they're going to build a new hotel or a new building that could go as high as 34 floors. It all depends on what they get approved for. So the list of the tallest buildings in Jamaica will change over the next few months. But as of today, this is what it is. All right, so thanks for taking the tour with us of this building, and we will keep you updated. We will make videos on this building every 2 weeks so that you can keep informed, or you can see the progress that's being made. And the Ascent, all the major construction projects in Jamaica, we make videos of every 2 weeks so that you can see what's going on. All right, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can keep updated with what's going on. All right, guys, have a good day.